Hi students, welcome to my channel Rakesh Tutorials. Today our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 4.1 second bit. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. Okay. So given that a is equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So solution, given 3x plus 2y, transpose the 5 to LHS, so it is plus becomes minus, so it is 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, as it is transpose 7 to LHS here, so 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now find a1 by a2. a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 3 by 2. a1 by a2 is 3 by 2. Find b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. This minus moves to numerator, so it is minus 2 by 3. So here check, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. This both are equal? No. So there is no need to check c1 by c2. If both are equal, then check c1 by c2 value. So a1 by a2 here, therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this system of equations are consistent. So the following equations are consistent. Following equations are consistent. Okay, these linear equations are consistent. So now draw the graph. For graph, draw two tables. Like for this, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. For this, we are drawing a table. Okay, here it is x value. Next, y value. Y value is 5 minus 3x by 2. Next, x comma y value, x comma y. Okay, so take x value as 0. Here we can take our wish values. You can take any value, so I am, for easy purpose, I am taking 0. So for 0, y is equal to 5 minus 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So x comma y value is 0 comma 5 by 2. Okay. Next take 1. Take 1. So for 1, y is equal to 5 minus 3 into 1. 3 1 ja 3 by 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 value is 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So 1. So it is 1 comma 1. So it is 1 comma 1. Next for another table, for 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. For this we are writing y value. How we are writing means y value. Okay, transpose y to RHS here. 2x minus 7 is equal to 3y. So next, transpose 3 to LHS. This implies y is equal to 2x minus 7 by 3. Okay, y is equal to 2x minus 7 by 3. So here y is equal to 2x minus 7 by 3. Here x comma y value. Like this we are finding y value. So now take same 0 comma 1. You can take your wish number. So for easy purpose I am taking 0. So substitute 0 in x. So 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 7 is minus 7. Minus 7 by 3. Y value is minus 7 by 3. So this value is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Next take for 1. Keep 1 in x in place of x. So 2 1 ja 2. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Because 7 is having minus sign, so it is minus 5 by 3. So it is 1 comma minus 5 by 3. So these are the points 0 comma 5 by 2 and 1 comma 1. So students, first of all you write now I am drawing the graph. Now I am drawing the graph. So for this 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 equation, points are 0 comma 5 by 2. It is 0 on x-axis 0. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 value means 2.5. 2.5. So here it is 2.5. Okay. This point is 0 comma 5 by 2. 0 comma 5 by 2. Next point is 1 comma 1. Next point is here 1 comma 1. Now this point is 1 comma 1. So by use of the scale, draw a line like this. Extend like this. Next for 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, points are 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 means 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 6, 1, 2.33, minus 2.33. Okay, it is 0 minus 2, 2.33 means here. So here is 1 point, minus 2.38. Next 1 minus 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means, see 5 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 1, 2, 20, 3 6 ja, 3 6 ja. So 1.66. So 1 comma minus 5 by 3. It is 1 minus 5 by 3 means 1.6. Here 1, it is 1.5, it is 1.6. Okay, like this. So by use of this scale, draw a line like this. Okay, here it is not a perfect graph. So like this, 2 lines are intersected at a point. Okay, so this point write like this. So this is exactly, this point is 2 point something and it is minus 0.6 or 7, like this coming. So draw the graph like this. So these 2 points, these 2 lines are intersected at a point. So the solution of 2 lines, see first write these lines. It is representing 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal 0. This line representing 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore solution of lines is something here 2 point something or minus 0.6 or something. So like this you have to draw the graph and find the answer of the intersecting point. Okay, Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.